Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to conduct tutorial number 39 of this course, and we will be covering SPBRG register, which is very first and very important register for serial port programming in PIC18F microcontroller. So let's start our lecture. Okay, so let's discuss what is SPBRG register. The name of SPBRG register is basically acronym for Serial Port Baud Rate Generator. So as its name suggests, this register is used to define certain baud rate for serial port programming, right? We know that we will be using it for serial. We will be using serial port to communicate with another device. Maybe it is a computer or it is another PIC18F microcontroller. So when device is supposed to communicate, they actually need to communicate at certain transmission rate at which both can understand what is to be communicated and what is being communicated, right? So serial port baud rate generator is very important register because it defines that transmission rate, or you can say information rate. That information rate is normally termed as desired baud rate. I have shortened it as DBR, and its formula is frequency of oscillator. It is the same frequency of oscillator which is attached between the two pins, which are oscillator 1 and oscillator 2 in pin diagram of PIC18F microcontroller, and normally we consider it as a crystal oscillator. Remember, we have been using this term crystal oscillator. This is similar to frequency oscillator. So both are the same terms, right? So the formula is crystal oscillator divided by 64 times x plus 1. We will discuss what is this x, but why this 64 is used. Normally, if you remember, we have been dividing frequency of oscillation by 4, but in this formula we see it is divided by 64. This 64 comes from the fact that serial port programming use the communication protocol which is used in USART communication, which is standard communication. USART, let me write it for you if you want to note it down. USART, right? So this protocol is a global protocol which is globally used, and in this protocol frequency is normally divided, or oscillation frequency is normally divided by 16. So divide by 16 and divide by 4, when both are combined it becomes 64. And now we come to this value. What is x here? X, this x, right? I'm talking about this specific x. So this x is basically value of what? Value of SPBRG, which is our register, right? Serial port baud rate generator, right? So this value will define the value. This value is basically value of SPBRG, and FOCS is the value of crystal oscillator. And if you put those two values, you can actually calculate the desired baud rate, or the baud rate at which two devices will be communicating, or this device will be communicating, right? So we know that we have to choose this value very smartly. So for a given desired rate, so if we actually reshape the formula, right, for the value of x or value of SPBRG, then this formula becomes equal to x is equal to frequency of oscillator divided by 64 times this dbr. Dbr is means desired baud rate, and minus 1, right? So I have just reshaped the formula. So what we have to use now? Frequency of oscillator plus the desired baud rate. We need to know frequency of oscillator is normally given in application, or it is attached with your device, so it is known. And dbr is that information rate at which you want to transmit the serial communication with that specific PIC18F microcontroller. Now let's come to the fact that we know that microcontroller PIC18F can communicate with another PIC18F, as I have discussed in the basics of this basics of serial port programming in previous lecture. Furthermore, PIC18F can also communicate with a PC. PC means you need to communicate the built-in hyperterminal of IBM PC. So IBM PC, or hyperterminal of IBM PC, basically supports some of the baud rates, right? Some specific baud rates. So those specific baud rates are given here in this chart or in this column. So you can say that if PIC18F wants to communicate with IBM PC, then it needs to choose one of these information rates. So we can actually communicate at 1200 bits per second, 2400 bits per second, 4800 bits per second. And these are just some of the baud rates which are supported by hyperterminal. There is complete list. If you are interested, you can actually go and find out or Google it. What are the supported rates? Because I'm not making tutorial on hyperterminal right now. I'm talking about PIC18F point of view. So PIC18F point of view, serial port can communicate on these bits or on these specific information rate, right? So let's say if I want to calculate the value of SPBRG or the value of X for given conditions. So let's say FOCS is given 10 megahertz and desired baud rate is 9600 bits per second. So if I calculate the value, 10 is to 6 divided by 64 times 9600, which is the DBR, minus 1. So it will become, if I solve it, 16.27 minus 1, it will become 15.27. So that will be approximated as decimal 15 or 0 of in hertz. So how can I put these values in SPBRG? I have to simply write move lateral to working D15, right? D comma 15, right? Uh, and I can I have to shift it move WF in SPBRG. So that's how I will be feeding this value into SPBRG, and PIC18F will be configured for 9600 bits per second. So it will transmit at 9600 bits per second, and crystal oscillator which is to be attached is 10 megahertz. Okay, that's it from this lecture. If you have any confusion, you can post your queries in comment section. Thank you so much for listening.